Good afternoon, friends. Now, the final report, that is general ledger report, is remaining. So, for that, just go to the reports. In the reports, general ledger, create a new one. Stock, okay, add new one. Now, just copy and paste the content. Like, okay, we want this one. Sorry, okay, from this one only. And paste over here. And take the data grid view. Just make it unchecked. And make it anchor, make it okay. Now if it is expand or compress, it will change the size. Now for that, now first we have to copy and paste the connection string. First of all, close all the unnecessary windows. Okay, it doesn't contain. Just copy this one and paste over here. And just press Alt and Enter. It will list down and select the using system. Okay. Now here also press Alt Enter. It will list down. And we want this one. Just press it, and we don't require this one. Now the query is too much complicated because we want data from all of the tables like customer, distributor, expense, income, from these four. Okay, so first of all, a common table we have to choose and we have to make a left join from it. So first of all, open the table. According to date base of this, we have to view the general ledger from beginning date to end date. So first we have to make a view from all these four. Okay, first of all, In SQL Server it is too much easy. Just we have to create a view here, query design. Okay, here it is. Now we have to select four of the table. I want only the date. Okay, let's check this will work or not. So let's check. I'm going to select date from all of the table. Hmm. Okay, let's expand it. Customer deposit date, distributor deposit date, income e-date, and expense e-date. View 1. Okay, something is wrong. Select distinct. Okay, so once again to the SQL. Actually, the in the general ledger we have to distinct everything by date. So first of all we have to collect information from this four table on the basis of the date. So we want distinct date and we have to order by from this date. Means like 9, 9 after 10, 10 after 22, 22 after 26. So first of all we have to distinctly select and by using union. I'll show you just example. Let's check whether it will work or not. Select. Okay, let's copy and paste it. Union as general date. Then I want second one. First of all, let's check it will work or not. As G date. Okay, it works. And now I want expense date. Actually, it is some complex because there is no common column in between all these tables. Therefore we have to do this one. And the common column is only date, and we have to give name for it. Okay, just save it, and now check it. Okay, syntactic error. Remove this one. Sorry, union. Okay, something is missing, I think so. From expense, income. Okay, here it should be income, and here should be expense. Okay, 9, 10, 12, 22, and 26. And change name it to rename option. Okay, G date view, because we want a common column, and that is only date. And now, okay, now first one is done. Now the second thing is that, okay, we will continue in next tutorial.